Okay, let's keep going. So we're on example D. So I have 2 and 3. So multiple, I could make this a 6. Or I already have 10 here and 5 here, so I would need to just make this one a 10. That's probably the easier option. So if I look, I have plus 10 here. So I'm going to need minus 10 here. So I need to multiply the second one by minus 2. So I'm going to rewrite the first one out. So I have 2x plus 10y is equal to 40. And I'm going to multiply all of these terms in equation 2 by minus 2. So I have 3x times minus 2 is minus 6x. 5y times minus 2 is minus 10y equals minus 40. I'm going to draw a line underneath and I'm going to add them. I have 2x plus minus 6x is minus 4x. I have 10y plus minus 10y is 0. And I have 40 plus minus 40 is also 0. So I need to write that 0 down. I can divide both sides by minus 4. 0 divided by minus 4 is 0. So x is 0. So now I can plug that into equation 1 or equation 2. I'm going to go with equation 2 this time. So I'm going to write out 3x plus 5y is equal to 20. And I'm going to replace x with 0. Three times 0 is just 0, so I don't need to worry about that. So I'm left with 5y is equal to 20. And divide both sides by 5, and y is equal to 4. So I can say, therefore, the POI is 0, 4. Okay, last example. So again, I need to look at the question. So I have a 6 here and a 2 here, so I would need to get this to a 6 to be able to eliminate. So I need to make this times 3. If I look here, I have a 7y and a minus y, so I would need to multiply this by 7 to be able to eliminate that. This one's already negative, so it might be just easier to multiply this by 7 to eliminate the y. If I multiply this by 3, I would actually have to make it minus 3 to be able to eliminate. So it doesn't actually matter which one we pick. I'm going to pick to multiply by 7. It's just a little bit easier. Actually, it doesn't even matter in this case. So I have 6x plus 7y is equal to minus 5. And I'm going to multiply everything by minus 7 in this case. So I'm going to multiply 2x minus y and minus 5 by 7. So I have 14x minus 7y equals minus 35. And I'm going to draw a line underneath it, and then I'm going to add it. So I have 6 plus 14 is 20x. 7y plus minus 7y is 0. So I have equals. Minus 5 plus minus 35 will give me minus 40. I'm going to divide both sides by 20, and I get x is equal to minus 2. Now I can pick either equation 1 or equation 2 to plug it into. I'm going to pick equation 1, but you're more than welcome to pick equation 2. I'm going to write it down, and now I'm going to plug in place of x minus 2. So I have 6 times minus 2 plus 7y is equal to minus 5. 6 times minus 2 is minus 12 plus 7y is equal to minus 5. I'm going to add 12 to both sides. So I'm left with 7y is equal to minus 5 plus 12 is 7. Divide both sides by 7, and y is equal to 1. So I can say, therefore, the POI is -2 and 1.